Alright, hey guys, back with the other TAT. This is the one that hit the, not so much locked up, but the very stiff and sticky bearings. This is the second one that I acquired from Dan in the lending process. Told the story in the last video, but I'll kind of go through it again. These are pretty big childhood fans. There was a Halloween store that had several of these, and I just thought they were pretty cool with the wide blades and such. Anyways, let's get right on into it. Let's turn off on low. This is the one that had the sticky bearings, so it might take a little time to get to speed. I don't know if they're completely broken in or not. So I guess we'll find out. So this is the one that had the sticky motor. This one is in, cosmetically it is a little bit cleaner. So I think what happened was the set of blades I tested on the other motor went to this fan, and the blades that are on this fan went to the other motor. I think is how it went, because these ones had a little bit of that yellow residue on them as well. I'm smoking or what have you. Go to medium low. Yeah, not really a big difference there. Alright, let's go to medium high. Alright, let's go to high speed. That is quite the airflow from this. Here at my distance. Sounds a bit still getting up to speed. Alright, there it's about up to speed. Pretty much totally balanced. A little crooked there. There we go. And let's go ahead and do spin down. Right about there is what I would expect the medium high to be. For reference, I thought the medium high on these but the given control is a little sluggish yet. These just have a weird distinct canopy, kind of like ring fan lower canopies. They have little, although they're kind of indented, so yeah, I mean it's a little bit of difference, but not much. Unfortunately, like the last one, I'm expecting this one to have quite the spin down. But I got time. These are just a really kind of interesting fans, how they have such wide blades compared to all other industrials. At least they seem wide to me. They might not actually be much wider. But I think that design is very cool on the blades. They have that kind of design with the thing that Canon Pleasanters have, or had. I don't know if Pleasanters are made anymore. I don't think they are. Definitely connection there. Motor seems to be pretty similar, as well as the lower canopy. Yeah, spin down's just as good as the last one. Alright, anyways, there's the TAT Industrial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.